These two are the power connectors, the locking ring. There is a built-in fan that cools down the temperature of the light bulb. It's supposed to be operating at a temperature between negative 49 degrees Fahrenheit and 150 degrees Fahrenheit. The color of this specific bulb would be 6500K. It is a type K36. Always refer to your car's manual to know what light bulbs fit, but these will fit H7s. Now I will be connecting the light bulb to power. You can see how strong it is. We can hear the fan if we get closer. This is a H7. Operates under direct current 12 volts. Has a IP68 rate. They're great if you want to go off-roading or if you just want LED bulbs for your car. They are brighter and last longer. They're pretty simple to install. Of course, always refer to your car's manual. But there you have it. There's the fan.